This video tutorial will outline the process for adding content to the Encounter Health content library. Encounter Health is an online content syndication system that will allow you to distribute content to multiple websites simultaneously. To access Encounter Health, you'll need a web browser and an internet connection. If you're a content contributor and need to register for an account, click the Register Now button under the Vendors area. If you've already registered, you can log in using your email address and password. If you forget your password, you can reset it by clicking the Forgot Your Password link. The dashboard is the first screen you'll see when you log in. The dashboard is where you can get an at-a-glance overview of what's happening with your content. If you're a new user, the first thing you'll want to do is create your first page. Each page contains 4 elements: the page title, or the name of the page. The page title is used to label this page in the navigation areas, and it also appears in the HTML title tag. Keywords is an optional field that contains a comma-separated list of important words used within the page's content. Keywords will appear within the HTML keywords meta tag. Description is another optional field that contains a concise explanation of the page's content. Description will appear in the HTML description meta tag. Page content is the main content body of the page. The rich text editor will allow you to type content as you would in a standard word processing application. If you have pre-written content, you can copy and paste it into the editor window. The undo and redo buttons allow you to step forward and backward between your changes. The Format drop-down menu will allow you to specify headings and paragraphs within the page content. Select the text that you would like to format and choose the option from the Format drop-down menu. The bold and italicize buttons will allow you to bold or italicize your text. Highlight the text that you want to format and select the appropriate button from the toolbar. The text alignment buttons will allow you to align your text to the left, center, right, or justify. Highlight the content that you want to align and select the appropriate button from the toolbar. You can create lists within a rich text editor by selecting the unordered or ordered list buttons. To create a new list, place the cursor on an empty line and select the appropriate button. You can also place existing text into a list by highlighting the desired text and clicking the appropriate button. The Insert Link button will allow you to create links to other pages on the internet. To create a link, select the text that you want to turn into a link, then click the Insert Link button from the toolbar. Type the address of the page that you want to link to in the link URL text field. And if you'd like this link to open in a new window, select Open in New Window from the Target drop-down menu. Click Insert to create the link. You can also create links to documents using the Insert Link button. The process starts the same as creating a link to a website. Select the text that you want to turn into a link and click the Insert Link button from the toolbar. This will open the Insert Link window. Click the Browse button, and this will load the File Manager, which holds all the files that you've uploaded to Encounter. To add a new file from your computer, click the Upload button. Then click Choose Files from your computer. After you've chosen the desired file from your computer, click Open. Then click Upload to Server. The file will appear in the File Manager. Choose the file from the File Manager and click Insert. This will bring you back to the Insert Link window and automatically fill in the address to the file you selected. If you'd like the link to open in a new window, choose Open in New Window from the Target drop-down menu. Then click Insert to create the link. The Unlink button allows you to remove links. To use it, highlight the link that you want to remove and click Unlink. You can insert images in the page using the Insert Image button. To insert an image, place your cursor where you'd like the image to appear and click Insert Image from the toolbar. This will open the Insert Image window. Click the Browse button, and this will load the File Manager. Click the Upload button, and then click Choose Files to choose a file from your computer. After you've chosen a file from your computer, click Open, and then click Upload to Server. Choose the file from the File Manager and click Insert. This will return you to the image window and automatically fill in the address to the image you selected. The image description field will allow you to provide a brief description of this image. It's important to provide a description so that search engines can identify the content in the image. Click Insert to add the image to the page. You can move the image up or down in relation to text by clicking and dragging the image. And you can align the image using the left, right, center, and justify buttons in the toolbar. You can also resize the image by clicking and dragging on a corner of the image. To delete the image, click on the image and press backspace or delete from your keyboard. Tables will allow you to format your content into columns and rows. To insert a table in the page, place your cursor where you'd like to place a table, and then click the Table button. Specify the number of columns and rows that you'd like in your table, as well as any additional properties. Then click Insert to insert your table in the page. You can resize the table by clicking and dragging on one of the corners of the box, and you can add content to the table cells by clicking into the desired cell and typing as usual. You can also modify your table using any of the table modification buttons in the toolbar. The Remove Formatting button will allow you to remove extra formatting from a piece of text. To remove formatting, highlight the text and click the Remove Formatting button. The Edit HTML Source button allows editors who are comfortable editing HTML scripting the opportunity to edit the content in code view. Page groups are used to organize collections of pages. You can create a new page group by clicking the Create New Page Group button. We'll talk more about page groups later during the tutorial. When you're finished adding content, make sure to click the Save Page button. New pages are marked as pending and submitted for review by practice. The Pages section of Encounter contains a list of all the pages you've added. You can edit a page by clicking on the name of that page. You can create new pages by clicking the Create New Page button, and you can organize your pages into groups by clicking on the Manage Page Groups button. A page group is an organized collection of pages. For example, a group called Conditions may have several pages about heart conditions, urological conditions, etc. You can make as many page groups as you like and add as many pages to each group as you like. Page groups allow you to create parent-child relationships using an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. The Account section of Encounter allows you to update your user account information, including your email address and password. You can also update your company contact information. The Help section of Encounter will allow you to submit a support request to our team. And as with any system, when you're finished, make sure to log out using the Log Out button.